2004 Acura RSX Type S, Milano red. Currently the front is a 05 converted. Front headlights from bumper. You guys know, you guys seen other cars. Still has the original rear. Type R wing. Honda badge in the back. Has a Greddy N1 stock piping still, but that's all gonna change soon. It's on 17x9 ESR wheels on some regular street tires, 215, 55, 17 on function informed type 2 coilovers. That's pretty much it on the exterior. Pretty basic. Now on to the interior. Still original panels. Beige leather. Has some bucket seats. On Takata harness. Both of them. Has a Dragon Ball Z shift knob. Can't be too careful, coronavirus. Has a doubled in regular Type S cluster. Stock Type S steering wheel with an EP3 airbag and a wideband for what's coming next. To the engine bay. Engine bay has Avid motor mounts, stock motor still K28.2. Stock transmission 6-speed still. Has some headers wrapped. Came with the car. Never changed it. Has a cold air intake. Does have its dings and scratches here and there, but that's more or less. Still pretty clean car. I like it, but in the future we'll get its paint job and everything else fixed. But until then, see you next video.